The union government is not in favour of giving legal recognition to same-sex marriages. The centre, in an affidavit to the Supreme Court, has said same-sex marriage is not compatible with the concept of an Indian family unit. The apex court is hearing a bunch of petitions seeking recognition of same-sex marriages. Currently, even though same-sex relationships have been decriminalised, same-sex marriages are not legal in India. Equality rights activists have called for an end to discrimination solely based on the choice of marriage partner and are urging for same rights for same-sex couples when it comes to spousal rights.
The centre says that same-sex relationships are different from heterosexual relationships, same-sex marriages are different from heterosexual marriages, and they cannot be treated identically. They are different. They are different not in the nature of the fact that it's celebrating the union of two people. They are different not because they happen to be of the same gender or different genders. They're different because one is treated with love and care and warmth and celebration. The other is treated with disgust, is treated with ignominy. And we today have to see where we stand. Do we stand with ignominy and disgust, or do we stand with love and acceptance and the plural nature of our democracy and our constitution? The choice is ours.
Position is that society is or may not be prepared for it, but constitutional law says that you have to recognize it. If it under Special Marriages Act, once you make it gender neutral and you remove that gender neutrality, that means you don't say male or female, two consenting Indian citizens who are mentally fit under the law, or whatever, they get a certificate from the doctor, they're mentally fit, everything is fine. You give 1 month's notice and you get married. And after that, what is the issue? It doesn't concern anybody except those two and society, or the institutions that are dealing with this couple. Like there could be landlord, there could be, say, they're buying a flat together. So in joint name, they can buy like a husband and wife. In the old days, the wife was, nominee. Otherwise, she held that property together with him, joint. The same thing can happen. So I do not see that. I just think it is bad community mobilization or community ye nahi thi. What should I say? It was not together. If they had cooperated and if they had been together, government would not know how to reply. Suppose now under Special Marriages Act, I don't say anything. I say that gender neutral karo. Government says, okay, yes, it should be gender neutral. All laws have to be gender neutral. They have to be, or a woman have to be treated the same at interview or anything, government. So it becomes gender neutral. Once it's gender neutral, you coolly go before the judge and say, it is gender neutral. It can be any two consenting adults in Indian citizens. So where is this business of lesbian, gay? Ye label mat lagao. Don't bother with labels. Who's lesbian, gay, transgender. Just two Indian citizens. And once that is done, then it is over. Nobody can this. You don't bring in religion into it. That is that is what I said. Now, government will try and stop this.